Hi everyone, this is Siddhant and I'm recording the demo day video for Friday of 18th October. So this week let's talk about what I have done. So if I go to .com issues and filter by my name and for this milestone, let me see. So I have managed to do basically nothing. So I'm currently working on this guy. This is done. And I could not touch these three. I will tell you why. But so this is there was a issue with recursive resolutions of name in FTD. So you can actually read about that in not this PR, but at, Arpita took over this and she has done quite a great job of explaining what was happening and how she fixed it in this PR. So you can read that and I will update this issue so that it is assigned to Arpita and do I have to do anything else? I don't think so. Closing this because it can this guy. So yeah, so that issue is gone and I did not do anything to fix that. It was all Arpita. Anyways, so yeah, on the multi-template support, I have been working on it, and let me see if I can show you. So, what is the scope? So, when you go to create site, you will now be presented with this drop down. It is very ugly, but it is what it is right now. And here you will see a list of websites. Now, currently it is listing probably every public source website, but I will change it to only so those sites that have marked is template to true, but that is not done yet. Anyways, so when you choose one of these options, so I have created this very convenient website that has only two files. So I'll choose that and create a website. And when I go to the editor, I only see two files. Don't worry about the preview. This is because I don't have this domain in my Etsy host file. So this is good. And when I go to create site and when I do not do anything, this is the default template. It is actually going to pick up the sample site folder. So this guy. So any the contents of this folder in .com and in FT will be picked up when you have selected nothing or which is the default behavior. So when I go to that and when I go to the editor, you see the files that were here. So the blog config and everything. Yeah. So it is, you would say it is done. There are some things that I have to do that I have also listed in the PR. Let me see if I can, yeah. So we are here. We have added PA. I am yet to do this guy. Then what I'm planning to do is to change the sample site to have only two files, the index.ftd and fast.ftd with the design system dependency, so that the default is the bare minimum that is okay for everyone. And to create a block template, they will have to choose that from the drop down menu. So yeah, that I have to do. Then I will have to communicate this to Nandini so that she updates her course and all. But yeah, so this will take some time to for me to do. So this is not done yet. And anything else? I don't think so. Apart from this, I and Amityu and Arpita, we were active in this Caution stack discussions. So you will see we have two levels. We have quite a few ideas on brainstorming for the zero point 0.5 version of Fast 10, and I have added a few labels. So I've gone through these discussions that I think are related to implementing the parser for our zero point 0.5 version of Fast 10. We are actually doing quite a lot of changes to the syntax of the language, and that is why we are writing a new parser. So I have gone through all the discussions that are somewhat even remotely related to parsing and have added this P1 parser tag. So the plan was to go through these discussions one more time and then uh, add it to the spec, but that could not happen this week. So there is this first and stack spec that I was supposed to write. I did some work on that actually. I don't think it is deployed, which is weird. Anyways, so let me see if I can find that. First and awesome. Yeah. So I did work on the spec a little bit. I have cleaned up the homepage and I have added links to the overview. This is all the content that Amityu has previously wrote, and the P1 section I will have to go through it and rewrite it, uh, rewrite most of it so that it is more unambiguous. Anyway, I have also added this copy to clipboard guys so that when I am writing very big documents here and someone wants to ping me on Discord that hey, I have written something horribly wrong, they can now do that. They will have to click on this link and they can come to Discord and paste this link. So this link has this link assumes that this domain exists, which it does not. So I'll deploy it and then it should work. So yeah. So I did work on the spec a little bit, but I have not actually contributed any meaningful content to this. So yeah, that was all for this week. Uh, I don't think I'm missing anything. Yeah, see ya. Happy weekend, everyone.